Hey there, YouTube. It's me, the Arctic Piper. Some housekeeping. Smoking my crow pipe. Poker. Stubby poker. There's a word I was looking for. Not special edition, but custom made, yes. My custom made crow pipe. From Eric over at Crow Pipes. Anyways, go check him out on Instagram. He's pretty cool. Or on his Etsy, that's where he sells the stuff, is on Etsy. So go to Etsy. Look up Crow Pipes. Anyways, smoking the Stewart's Folly again. And like I said, I don't know, 10 videos back, you could check it out. That you can order it. It's a B&M brick and mortar shop, house blend. But if you go to GMP Fine Tobaccos, go on the website, check them out. Give them, your information, your age and all that. And, he says he ships around the world, so you can get yourself some too. It's my favorite blend, so let's get lit up. So, some news. Drew of the Shed and I were chatting the other day, and after my last video, I talked about possibly having a video where I'm going to be cooking, because how that started was I have a cooking hat, and by the way, wearing my kind of like floppy fedora thing, so I don't think I wore this hat in any videos yet, so it's pretty cool. Fits my head nicely. You can like hold it up, and it kind of pops back out again. It's a nice hat. It's a Woolsworth hat, and it's like super comfortable. Okay, down to business again. Drew in the Shed and I, or Drew of the Shed and I, were chatting the other day. And he messaged me about doing some sort of cooking challenge. More specifically, a grilled cheese cooking challenge. Oh, also drinking a large glass of chocolate milk. I love chocolate milk. But him and I will be doing a cooking challenge where we'll be competing on the best grilled cheese sandwich. And that should be coming out, in the next number of weeks, where we'll be doing this. And I'd like to invite, any of you guys to participate. If you feel like that you make a mean grilled cheese, to do a video as part of the challenge. What you'd be doing is filming yourself making an awesome grilled cheese sandwich. The only kicker is that you have to have something else besides just cheese on the bread. So, something unique. I'm already kind of brewing up some of ideas. Should be exciting. So that's a little shout out to Drew of the Shed again. If you're not subscribed to Drew of the Shed, subscribe to him. He's an awesome guy, and again, he'll be putting up a video regarding his end of the challenge. So that should be good. So Drew, here's my video introducing the challenge, and for you to put up your video regarding the challenge. And I'm not exactly sure how we're going to rate it. Maybe to see all of you people watching us comment down below on the cooking video on kind of critiques, and also which sandwich you think is the better sandwich. So that should be cool. So that's what's coming down the line. Oh, excuse me. Grilled cheese challenge. I really love this hat. It's absolutely amazing. Also, I've been growing my beard for about a year now. About 1 year ago today, I had no beard whatsoever. So, now I have this thing coming off my face. It's looking pretty nice. I keep it groomed, you know, I trim it. I'm not one of those guys being like, oh, I'm going to grow my beard all natural, and then it gets all crazy, you know. Every few days, I have these, like, barber shears, and I trim away at it. Keep it nice. Like a well-trimmed bush. So, it takes a lot of dedication, you know, to grow a decent beard, I think. You know, because it takes time. Obviously, it takes a lot of time. And also, it takes some time, you know, to trim it, shampoo it, etc., etc. Put oil in it if that's your thing. But, other than that, life's been going pretty well. Summer has been going great. It's 4th of July weekend, so I wish all of you here in the United States happy 4th of July. That'll be Monday, since I'll probably won't be doing another video before Monday on the 4th, so happy 4th of July to all of you here. Celebrating Independence Day here in the United States. And also a shout out to all the Canadians watching. Happy Canada Day, that was back on the 1st. So, that's all the Canadians out there. Just east of us. Here in Alaska. So, stay safe, 4th of July, light up your favorite pipe, favorite tobacco, do some barbecuing. And wish all of you happy puffin'.